Hi guys, welcome to another Coffee and Cam Tech Tip. My name is Nick Nerzinski, and today we want to look at creating your own defaults in the software. So I was on NYCNC's Facebook or YouTube channel, and I was looking at the comments, and there was a couple guys talking about how there's certain settings in the facing operation that they wish were a default in the software, and I don't think a lot of people know about it, but you can make them if they are not default out of the box. So first thing I'm going to do is create a facing operation here. Let's select this 2-inch face mill and just say OK. And so out of the box, what you get is one pass, two passes, and then it comes off the part before it completely disengages from the stock. So what it ends up leaving is a little bit of a half moon shape there from where the cutter didn't finish coming across the part. So let me drag this up to be the first operation, and then I'm going to come in and edit that and turn on extend before retract on the linking tab. And what I also like to turn on for mine is use chip thinning. So the first one, extend before retract, now you'll see that we have a lead out all the way off the part before it retracts. And then the use chip thinning is where you see these arcs as it enters into the stock. So this actually rolls the cutter into the stock, which is a little bit better for your inserts. So once that's done, you'll notice you cannot, or you can for like text entry boxes, you can right click and say make default, but you can't do that on check boxes. You can try to right click on it, but what it ends up doing is checking or unchecking. So the way around this is to go right click, compare and edit. And within this dialog box, I'll go type in extend before retract. It says yes. I'm going to highlight that row, right click, make that a default. I'm going to do the same thing for use chip thinning, highlight it, right click, make default. Now I can cancel out of there. Let's go jump over to this other part that I have. I already have it set up in here. I'm going to start a facing operation. Let's use that 2-inch face mill. Let's look at the passes tab. Use chip thinning is already checked, as is extend before retract. All I needed to do is say OK now, and I got all those same settings that I made default from a different part. So hope that helps you guys. You can do that with any of the operations, any of the drop down menus. Just use that compare and edit dialog box, and you can make your own defaults. Thanks.